Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to present you one of the project which is located at Tukuguda. It's an highway facing project. Company name Mayuri and project name is Kandakatla Valley. Kandakatla Valley by Mayuri. This is the entrance electronic gate, and you can view how standard it has been built and designed, and the entrance also has a beautiful stone crafting and horticulture based, gardening based uh, project. And you can see one of the plant here. There are many garden king, we say this as a garden king cycas. At entrance also we have many cycas planted, and it's an 62 acres gated community, suitable for constructing villas, and minimum size we have is 272 square yards. Now what I'll do is I'll take you step by step based on brochure. I'll explain you location highlights and inside of the project in details. We have 7 acres left for the landscape and gardens. We have clubhouse, and it's an HMDA and a RERA project. So it's an Srisailam highway facing exactly 6 kilometers from the ORR exit number 14 of Tukuguda. So location wise, it's very infrastructure is very highly built here. And next to our project is Mac Villa. It's an gated community villa. Villas also are constructed and people are living. And this project is also livable. From us, one of the company has taken the this thing for plots for the villas, and we are left with only very few villas here. I'll show you. I'll show you the highway, and I'll explain you detail regarding the project inside based on the brochure. Please come here. This is the highway facing. You can see how cars moving away in front of our project, and entrance is exactly highway facing entrance. You can see once more. Now I will explain you regarding inside of the project. Come here. This is the brochure of our project, and we are standing here. Here we have electronic gate, and once you enter, left side is the area where we are about to construct 10,000 SFT based clubhouse swimming pool. And let me explain you regarding the location highlights. This is here you will find exactly 6 kilometers from our location, ORR exit number 14, and this is the Srisailam highway. And other side of our project, on this highway, 5 kilometers, you can have a location. Pharmaceutical location here located exactly 5 kilometers from our location. This is the only one of the entrance to enter the pharmacy, which is about to have 5 lakhs direct indirect employees, and it is coming on 20,000 acres as per government quoting government news. First phase is about to launch, and this is the 62 acres layout, and this is the phase 1, and this part is phase 2. We have plots in phase 2, and if you see the you can view numbers here. These are the landscape gardens: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 around 12 landscape gardens available in the first phase, whereas in second phase we have around only 4 5. And overall, if you see, including clubhouse and all, if you see, there will be around 16 to 17. And we have 2 gazebo based gardens. One gazebo is placed here and second is here. So I'll take you inside so that you can have the clear look. This is the small presentation of the layout. So now I will take you inside, and I wanted to show you the amenities also. These are the amenities. It's Vastu based, and we have 6 feet compound wall. All the details you can view here. You can stop the screen and read all the amenities. It will take much time to explain each and everything. And it is developed venture. Please note, it's a developed venture and expected to get final approval in very short term. And we are left with very few plots. If you are interested, please let us know. We will be available at the site and we will show you the plots. Let me continue about detail about the second phase. This is the other company project behind our project, and this is the second phase, and plots are available in the second phase at this part in the second phase. And minimum size what we have is 272 to around 400 also we have. Please note down. And let me tell you about the amenities. It's an 100% vastu and 6 feet height boundary wall also we have constructed, and these are the amenities. You can stop the screen and read each and every amenity what we are providing, because if I explain it will take much time. Don't mind. I'll take you inside and I'll show you each and every garden based on the number available in the layout. Thank you. Now I would like to explain you regarding the entrance of our Kandakatla Valley, and you can see beautifully it is designed, and stone crafting at the entrance. It is in a circle shape and it's an electronic gate. Come inside. And this is how it looks here. It gives very rich look here, high lifestyle based entrance, and it's an electronic gate. He is our security, Mr. Chari. And this is the entrance, and the entrance view of this Kandakatla Valley is, you can see how beautifully we have crafted the roads. In the middle of the road also we have done stone crafting, and this is an 100 feet based entrance. This is the entrance view, and immediately once we enter the entrance road, there is another small circle. Let us stop here, and you can view backside view of our electronic gate. So this is the view. Yes. Now I would like to explain you regarding the inside of the project in details. Once I entered from here, we have electronic gate here. From here, once I enter till here, it's an 100 feet road, and from this portion it's an 60 feet road, 60 feet road. So here, if you, now I will show me the right side. This is the gazebo placed at left side of our entrance, and behind that gazebo you can see one white building is there. There we are about to construct the clubhouse, which will have swimming pool also. It will be around 10,000 square feet. So this is the look inside after entering, once the 100 feet road is over. Now let me explain about the right side garden of the project. This one, it's an number 12 based garden. I'll show you inside. Come. We'll go inside. Come. And you can see our project is around 900 meters long, and right side second phase starts from the 40% of the first phase. Here is the Bosham School, which is also facing next to our project. Come inside. I'll show you the garden. We are standing in the number 12 landscape garden of the Kandakatla Valley. So I wanted to show you how we have maintained and its quality and design and all. And this is the 12 number based landscape garden. You can view in the brochure, in the video. It is immediately at the entrance itself. Come here, show this one. Beautiful flowers here, yellow and red color. This plant here left side is called as fireball, and it has even a jogging track like this thing, an entrance. From entrance, if you see, it has a very good stone crafting here, and you can view the electronic gate from this garden view. So I wanted to show you a few plots how it is maintained in the project, and we have mentioned the state wise, plot number wise marks also, and it's an wheelchair friendly infrastructure. You can see, you can use for jogging track also, and it's an 60 feet road, and it in middle of the road also, if you see the gardening horticulture, it is beautifully well designed by professionals. And I'll show you more little bit inside, so you can understand the maintenance of the project. This is the first phase. Just beside this first phase, all roads carry forward to the second phase. It's a right side shoulder of this project. You can view the brochure also. If you want to have the brochure, please call us. We will send you the brochure so that you can understand more better. Right side and left side of our road also, if you see, Christmas trees are placed. It gives us a very beautiful look here. You can see left side and right side and middle. You stand here. Here. Stand here and show both the view like this. From center you show both sides so that people who you can understand more better. As I stand here once like this. Yes. So, now we are standing in the center of the project, and we have beautiful landscape gardens around this circle. I will show you, and I'll also show you 8 number landscape which has children play area. So now you can view the center of the project. As you know, we are at the center of the Kandakatla Valley, and this is the one of the crossroad of the project, and you can see how beautifully road has been crafted, and it has 4 landscape gardens just beside the children's play area park. Its number is 8, and you can view these 4 landscape gardens. Come here. It gives very beautiful look for the project. By this itself you can understand how beautifully it is designed. Show all the 4. Show all the 4. Stand at one side and show all the 4. These 2 also. Now we will go to the number 8 landscape and children's play area. You can also view dark black color road here. This is the point from where the second phase starts. The road has been newly placed. Today's date is 28th November 2020. The price we are quoting here is per square yard 17,500 and additional 300 for amenities and 200 per square yard for 3 years maintenance. Please note down. And right side you can see it's a Bosham school which is also facing highway, Sri Salem highway. I'll show you. Come inside. We are entering the 8 number garden which has jogging track and children's play area. You can see the basketball court also. Now we are going back and you can view crossroad of this project, center of it, and it's center of the project also. Next I'll take you to the garden number 5, which is very beautiful. And regarding the price here, our price is low compared to the neighbors price what they are selling. They are quoting around 30 to 32,000 per square yard, and in the front side of their project they have constructed all villas. People are living in their villas, so this is the reason they are quoting high. This is the view from the center of our project. Now we are taking in a running car because it's 1 kilometer long, so I cannot walk so much. Now we are about to enter the landscape garden number 5. This is the jogging track and plots. You can view the plots here like this. This is the jogging track, gardening. As in future also there should not be any landscape, we have constructed jogging track like inside this thing, and it keeps the level of the ground, and this is how it is designed. You can have events of your people here. This is the stage. It's a very big stage we have constructed here, and if you see the view from the stage, it's like this. This is one of the side view. This is the other side. This is the view from the stage. And this is the jogging track in the garden. It gives very beautiful look here. You can have a very good time here with the family. Center view I will show you. This is the center view. This is the number 5 landscape gardens boundary wall, and this is the view.